Hello, where are you from, bro?
I'm Kurdish. Where are you from?
Kurdish. Why dish? Why dish? I can't hear.
I'm Kurdish.
There is no have country. Huh?
Did you
Neydish?
did you
Neydish?
did
No,
you
what dish?
ask?
What
What
dish?
is wrong
What
with you?
dish?
You're only being brave because you're wearing a mask.
You have not country. You
Take-
are a terrorist. You are a terrorist. One second.
What's your
Okay.
problem?
You have a country?
Yes,
Which country?
Kurdistan.
Where's the Kurdistan?
Diyarbakır,
it's
Diyarbakır. If it is fake, why are you angry?
Bro, it's fake.
Okay, if it's fake, why are you
Fake.
angry?
I'm not angry.
You don't agree? Kurd orospusucu. Before. What is this? I am a human being like you. I say I am
No.
Kurdish and I am from Kurdistan. What's your problem? Why do you care?
Diyarbakır in the Turkey.
Okay, for you.
You asked
For
in the
you? Okay.
No for you, no for you.
For me, it's not.
Kurdistan.
You tell
Not
me.
here.
You tell me. Why do you care if I believe in Kurdistan? What does it do to you? What does it do to you? Didn't think so.